Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Parents, does your little one love running around the house and explore every corner? Then you know how worrying those sharp furniture edges can be. Today I am unboxing a simple baby proofing product that can help make your home a little safer. The Kindoora Protector Strippy. Let's unbox it, and inside the packages you will find the protector strippy neatly packed and ready to use. The first thing I notice is that it's soft, flexible and transparent, which means it won't run the look of your furniture. This edge protector is designed to cover sharp corner and edges on table and TV units, cabinet and other furniture. Since toddlers are always moving around and learning to walk, these sharp edges can sometimes be a concern. That's where this protector comes in handy. Using it is super simple. Just clean the surface and peel off the adhesive backing and stick the strip onto the sharp edges. Press it firmly for a few seconds and you are done. No tools or complicated installation required. What I like about the Kindoora Protector strip is its soft cushioning and transparent design. It blends well with the furniture with providing an extra layer of protection. The adhesive feels strong and the installation process is quickly and easy. If you are looking for an easy way to baby-proof sharp furniture edges at home, the Kindoora Protector strip is definitely worth checking out. It offers peace of mind while letting your little explorer move around more safely. And want the product link, comment link below and I will send it to you.